Question: how do I build confidence in my own path? This answer has a few layers to it. Number one, notice the places in your life that you already are confident. I'm sure that in your life there are places where you already are doing things with power, where you already are powerful, and maybe you're just not noticing it. So look around in your life, look at your past. What are some things that you've done that you've kind of done against other people's opinions or against all odds, or things that didn't make sense, but you still went ahead and did them because that was in your soul, that was in your path, and you knew that. Notice these things. Notice this trait in you. Notice the thoughts you had during this time, the words you used towards yourself, and what pushed you to do these things, because something in your soul felt and knew that that was right for you. Even if it didn't make sense, even if it was scary, even if you didn't have all the tools set that you wanted to, you still took that step and you did that. So notice that trait in you. Bring it to your awareness. And you can write down a list of things, your kind of strength list, a list of things that helped you during this path, a list of things that helped you take that step even though you were scared. Maybe it's because you truly felt in your body that this is the right path for you. Maybe because you were truly interested in to see where this plays out, where this takes you. Whatever it is, maybe you're creative and you trusted your creativity. There are a lot of things in you that helped you get to the place you are right now. And wherever it is you are right now, you had to take bold steps, but you just don't notice it. Because our mind is used to seeing the negative in us and pointing out our lacks and pointing out where we struggle. But we want to shift the focus to the positive. We want to shift the focus to our strengths. So create a list, your own strength list. All the things that are great about you that would help you in this path. All the things that are your superpowers, your tools that you can always come to. You're creative, you are book smart, maybe you can learn by yourself, maybe you have self-discipline. You've already done difficult things in the past. Create this strength list and read it to yourself every day in the mirror as you walk around in the street. Tell yourself that list, because what you're trying actually to build is a sense of self-trust. And self-trust means that what is self-trust? Self-trust means that you know that you will handle it. Even when difficult things will come, you will handle it. So self-trust means that you don't need to have everything in place to get started, but you know that you can go through the motions, and you know that you can learn, you know that you can grow. That is actually what we're trying to build. It's not about becoming the perfect you and then doing it. Confidence will not come before you start doing. Confidence will come as you do. What you can do is strengthen yourself in the path by building your self-trust and building your inner innate ability to go with the flow, even when things aren't perfect. Because if we are feeling unconfident in our path, then there means that something in us wants things to be really, really cushy, really, really perfect, really, really in place before we go. But the trick is to learn to go with the flow and move with the imperfection and just go forward, move forward. And that is when self-trust and confidence build, when we move forward without perfection. So don't try to get into self-trust and to confidence and then do the thing. Do the thing. Build confidence as you go. Help yourself with self-trust practices, with telling yourself all the things that are good about you. And also, remember that your mind is used to showing you the negative, because that is the way that it works. Always have that in your awareness and bring up the thing that you want to believe in. Bring up the new perspective. Bring up the self-trust. Bring up your strengths. Always feed yourself that information. It might feel uncomfortable at first. When we create change, it feels uncomfortable at first. But you just have to give yourself that self-love, that self-compassion, and move with this discomfort. Move with this unknown.
This was just one of the most burning questions men like you are asking right now. We collected the top 11 ones, the questions our followers keep asking us, and created a free PDF just for you. Click the link below and get it now for free.